Yaa Bitha, and this is the MX Breakz, where we bring you all the updates in lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and around the world. Let's jump right in. And our Ghanaian broadcaster Kofi Otredakun KOD is calling on the president Nana Akufo-Addo to travel with Ghanaian creatives during his international assignments. The founder of the 1957 fashion brand explained that taking creatives along will promote Ghana's arts on the global scene. Citing the president's presence at the Global Citizen Festival, which was held in 2018 in South Africa without a single Ghanaian performer, KOD said the president should have insisted he wanted a Ghanaian artist to perform at the event. He cited examples of Kamala Harris traveling with Spike Lee during her trip to Ghana and former President of America George Bush to Ghana with Jordan Sparks in 2008. Now, during Bush's visits to the U.S. ambassador's residence in Accra, Jordan Sparks performed the U.S. national anthem before he delivered his speech. Now, I think KOD is making so much sense here. Our artists are literally struggling to get that public, view, that celebrityship when we get to the global scene. So this would be a good idea. Moving on, CEO of Ghana Tourism Authority, Mr. Akwesi Agyeman, says he is yet to confirm if Ghana would host Afro Nation this year. Mr. Agyeman explained that the Ghana Tourism Authority is not the organizer of the music festival, but partners of the event. According to him, he reached out to Afro Nation but has not yet gotten a response on whether it will be hosted in Ghana or not. He disclosed that a memorandum of understanding was signed for Afro Nation to be hosted for 5 years in Ghana. And out of the 5-year agreement, the festival only occurred twice in 2019 and the recent one last year, 2022, in Ghana. Now, meanwhile, the organizers of the festival have also announced Afro Nation in Nigeria, so we don't really know if Afro Nation is happening this year or is happening in Nigeria. But either way, we still need to get to see the MOU before we can make any judgments. Moving on, Sean Diddy Combs has returned some music rights to artists and songwriters who were signed to his label instead of cashing in on them. His label, Bad Boy Records, was one of the biggest rap labels of the 1990s. It was home to artists like Maze, Faith Evans, 112, The Locks, and Notorious B.I.G. Now, those acts have now been giving back control of their songwriting rights, and Diddy made the move on the 30th anniversary of his label. That's quite something to do, isn't it? Like giving all of those rights to the people. But we are wishing them all the best. And now to our last story, Drake. He has gifted a loyal fan $50,000 because he used his furniture funds to acquire tickets for his concert. Now, the fan holding a placard caught the attention of the Canadian rapper during his concert performance in Las Vegas. He stopped his performance to read the card, which said, "Drake, I spent my furniture money on your 2 shows." He then promised to reimburse the fan. Drake further encouraged his fans to be kind to others. We have the video, so let's watch it.
You got a sign that says, "Drake, I spent my furniture money on your 2 shows. Oh, you love for life." Right? My manager is my DJ, right? Is he over there? He's right there. You know what, my man? Your furniture money, I'm gonna give you 50 bands tonight because I love you. Make sure you get some money tonight. Hey, listen, this is what life is about.
This was very good behavior, man. Shout out to Drake. Vincent, this is why they tossing brass on the stage, man. So today, guys, you also that topic, and our next topic is about Stephen Jackson. Stephen Jackson shows love to Mace and Cameron for their sports talk show. So he says, "You gotta love Cameron and Mace. How can you not? I love to see the authentic relationship on."
So that is the heartwarming moment at his concert when he promised to reimburse the fan. But for Ghana here, you want to use your school fees to go to concerts. My dear, nobody is paying for it for you. You better sit your ass down and watch it on television. But we're hoping that most of our artists can do the same for us. And that is it for today. That's it for MX Breakz Lifestyle and Entertainment. I have been Yaa Bitha. For everything lifestyle and entertainment, we at MX24 have got you. So don't forget to give us a follow on social media at MX24GH.